Now, the Target 12 investigators tracking multiple stories this afternoon, including two involving prominent Rhode Island companies.
We are joined live at 4 by 12 News Politics and business editor Ted Nesi. Ted, before we get to those other big stories, let's also talk about the Target 12 investigation we first heard about yesterday. It does look like the policies put into place to combat COVID-19, we're talking about mask wearing, social distancing, certainly had a profound impact on other health outcomes.
Yeah, that's right, Brian. The flu was basically non-existent in Rhode Island this year. Take a look at these numbers Target 12 got from the Department of Health. There were nearly 1,400 influenza hospitalizations in the 27-18 season, roughly 1,000 over the next 2 years, and yet so far this season, only 2 people were hospitalized with the flu, and the number of deaths from flu went from 63 years ago to 0 this season. Not all good news, though, on other health metrics. My colleagues Tim White and Eli Sherman found accidental drug overdoses climbed to 371 deaths in 2020, and public health experts are saying they think the strain of the pandemic has worsened the opioid crisis.
Yeah, Ted, we've been talking with Dr. M about that. He called it a syndemic. And Ted, as Brian mentioned, we also want to talk about 2 big business stories that you're tracking today. First off, some controversy over a new policy at Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Rhode Island.
Yeah, Kim, this one really got people talking on social media after our story went live. Blue Cross confirmed to me yesterday it plans to start charging members out-of-pocket costs for COVID-19 treatments beginning April 1st. So that means patients who have Blue Cross will have to start paying co-pays, deductibles, and other cost-sharing parts of their health plans if they come down with COVID. It doesn't affect vaccines and testing. Also, separately, just this afternoon, I've discovered Blue Cross paid its former CEO a bonus of $1.2 million in 2020. A spokesperson tells me, though, that bonus was earned before the pandemic and was required under the CEO's contract.
And Ted, the other local prominent company in the news today, National Grid, which will not be providing gas and electricity to Rhode Islanders for much longer now.
Yeah, Brian, get ready for a new name on your utility bills if this deal goes through. National Grid, as people may know, is based in the UK. They announced today they're selling off the Rhode Island electricity and gas systems to PPL, which is a company out of Pennsylvania. The deal's valued at over $5 billion, and it could close within a year. PPL says it plans to keep a majority of National Grid's Rhode Island employees on its staff. And viewers may remember National Grid actually first took over Rhode Island's electric lines back in the year 2000. And viewers with really long memories know the electric company's roots in Rhode Island date back to 1884 when it was founded as the Narragansett Electric Company.
Ted, always with a little history lesson for us. All right, and you can find much more on all 3 of these stories right now on WPRI.com. Ted, thanks for being here.
Good to be with you.